In a world where money rules us all, how do we regain control? By empowering ourselves with financial education, we can take charge of our future. Education is the key. Imagine learning how to budget, invest, and save. This knowledge becomes our armor in today's financial battlefield. Did you know? Just 30 minutes of financial education a week can dramatically improve your financial literacy and decision-making skills. Let's start now. Meet Sarah. She transformed her life by understanding her finances. Now she budgets, saves, and is on the path to financial freedom. With financial education, every victory counts, from saving for a vacation to understanding investments. Each step builds confidence and security. Stay engaged. Discussing finances with friends creates a support system and expands our knowledge. Together, we can conquer money challenges. Consider attending seminars or workshops. Interacting with experts opens new perspectives on money management and introduces tools for success. Books can be a treasure trove of knowledge. Find reputable sources and dedicate time to read. Education is power in your journey to wealth. Together, we learn. Financial education empowers us all to break barriers, build wealth, and create a better future for ourselves and our communities.